Children, very good morning. Welcome to English class. How are you all? All of it are fine? Okay. So children, in the yesterday's class, we study about match the capital letters S to Z. Is it? Yes. A to Z also I taught you how to match the letters. Okay. You know to write the alphabets and you know to recognize the you will identify the alphabets means you know to write and reading. Okay, so everyone has to practice it. Yes, so in the previous class we done circle the odd ones out, is it? Yes, and we done match the capital letters, so same letter we done matching, is it? Yes. So, in the today's class, we learn and we write, circle the first letter of each picture. Okay? So, everyone take out your 4-line English notebook, take out your pencil and eraser and open new page and write here up CW. CW means what? Classwork. Is it? Yes. So, now here write. Tell your parents to write and give this headline. CIRCLE, circle. THE, the. FRIST, first. FIRST, first. Letter LETTER, letter of, of, EACH, each picture, 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 and put underline. Okay, yes, tell your parents to write and give the headline. Okay, write the first letter of each picture. So now here children you have to draw the picture. Okay, see apple, so draw the apple picture and write here capital A and F down here, F. Okay, so draw the apple picture and write here A and F. Okay, yes, so next picture, draw balloon. Tell your parents to draw and give the pictures. Okay, okay, and here write F B. Okay, next cloud. Cloud picture draw and write here H C. Okay, yes. So next picture, draw duck. Duck picture draw. And write here T D. Okay, next picture draw nest. Next picture draw and write here E letter, capital letter, and K letter. K. Okay. Okay. So this is the next picture and inside eggs draw. Okay. Okay. Next draw picture flower. Okay, flower picture draw. And write G and F. Okay. Okay. So next picture draw grapes. So grape picture draw. Yes. And write Y and G. Okay. Yes. So after again draw picture ball picture draw and write C B. Okay. Yes. So here children, here pictures are there, is it? Yes. So each picture you have to see and you have to circle the first letter. The each pictures you have to see the first letter, which first letter will come, that you have to circle it. Okay. For example, which picture it is? Apple. Is it? Yes. So this is the apple picture. So what is the apple? Is the first letter A. Is it? Yes. So circle this letter A. A for apple. Okay. So next picture is what? Balloon. Is it? It is a balloon, no? Yes. So what is the balloon picture of first letter? F or B? B. B for balloon. So circle the B letter. Okay. So next picture. So next picture is what? Cloud. Is it? Cloud. Mode. Cloud. So cloud. Letter H or C? C for cloud. So already you learned in the English classes, previous classes. Is it? Yes. C for cloud. H for cloud? No. C for cloud. So circle the C letter. Yes. Okay. So next picture is what? Duck. So duck is a picture. Okay. What is a duck? First letter? T or D? T for duck or D for duck? T for duck or D for duck? In these two letters, which letter is first letter is the correct answer to the duck? D. So D letter circle. So D for duck. So D for duck. Duck is the first letter is D. Okay. So next picture is a nest. In the nest, what is there? Eggs. 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs are there. Is it? Yes. So letter E or K. K for eggs or E for eggs? E. So circle the E letter. E for eggs. E for eggs. Okay. So next is picture is flower. So flower picture first letter is G or F. G for flower or F for flower? F. So F letter circle. F for flower. F for flower. So flower first letter is F. Okay. So next picture is grapes. Yes. So grapes, what is the first letter? Y or G? Y for grapes or G for grapes? G. So G is the correct answer. So G for grapes is the first letter is G. So circle the G letter. G for grapes. G for grapes. Okay. So next is picture is ball. Is it? Yes. So ball, what is the first letter? C or B? C for ball or B for ball? B for ball. So correct answer is the B. So ball, the first letter is B. B for ball. Is it? Yes. So now everyone read it. A for apple. A for apple. B for balloon. B for balloon. C for cloud. C for cloud. D for duck. D for duck. E for egg. E for egg. F for flower. F for flower. G for grapes. G for grapes. Next. B for balloon. B for balloon. So these are what? First letter we done the circle. So each picture's first letter we done the circle. Is it? Yes. So this is your classwork, and here what you had to do? You had to write this in homework page. Okay? Yes. So this, in the today's class, what we done now? Circle the first letter of each pictures. No? That this page you have to write in homework page. Okay? So everyone do the homework and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.